In this video, we'll see how to apply a checkout fee based on the selected payment gateway, but only when a variable product is added to the cart. The code snippet we'll use does the following: checks if any item in the cart is a variation, applies a custom fee if a specific payment method is selected. You can add this code to your theme's functions.php file, or better, use the code snippets plugin for safer and easier management. I'll add a variable product to the cart and proceed to the checkout page. When a different payment gateway is selected, you'll notice that no extra fee is applied. But as soon as I select PayPal, the additional fee appears because the conditions in the code are met.